these questions are related to the trigonometric equations actually. Okay, so you see, we shall be solving these equations using these newly learned double angle formulas here. Okay, let me have some space for this working, and then we can start these questions actually. Okay, so here we are, guys. Uh, 13a, we have cos x plus 30, that is equal to 2 sine x. Remember, we have seen that whenever we have to solve an equation, a trigonometric equation, um, the thing is the whole equation should be in terms of one single trigonometric ratio and having the same angles in it. So we need to expand this using the double angle formula. Now, for God's sake, you will never ever write it like this. Okay, yes, cos x plus 30 is going to be cos x plus cos 30. Just expanding this like you have a x plus 3. So that is ax plus 3x. So this is not like this. You can't do it like this. You have to apply that double angle formula over here. So this cos x plus 30, this should be written as cos x cos 30 minus sin x sin 30, that is equal to 2 sin x. Now, you will never ever write the rounded values while simplifying the equations. You will never write the rounded values while simplifying the equations. Keep them in exact form. I'm repeating, keep these values in exact form. Like this would be cos 30 is, I'm writing this first, cos 30 is under root 3 over 2, and then cos x, sin 30 is half, this is minus half sin x, that is equal to 2 sin x. So I bring that 2 sin x to this side, that is equal to 0. I'm going to multiply whole of the equation by 2, which is the LCM, by the way. So this is under root 3 cos x minus sin x minus 4 sin x. Please see how this algebra goes in these trigonometric equations, expressions, how I'm simplifying them algebraically. Okay, so this is going to be, let me clear this area. Okay, so now this is under root 3 cos x minus 5 sin x. We have reached the situation where we should remember, we should recall that now we need to divide the whole equation by cos x, because you have a term in cos x or a term in sin x. So it's a typical situation where you divide both the sides by cos x. So when you divide it by cos x, this is my under root 3. This one is minus 5 tan x. So your tan x is going to be under root 3 over 5. The moment you reach at this level, you should quickly mark those quadrants where you can have this tan existing falling. So can someone quickly tell me what is tan inverse of under root 3 over 5? So you have given me these values. So x first value is 9, writing this correct to one decimal place. This is 19.1 degrees. And the second one is going to be 199.1 degrees. So you have seen how we have solved this trigonometric equation using the double angle formula. Let me do that 14F for you now. 14F. Okay, 14F. We have here again from like this time, this is from 0 to 180 here. And 14F is, this is cos x plus 225, that is 2 sine x minus 60. Okay, so double angle formula to be applied here. This is going to be cos x cos 225 minus sine x sine 225. That is 2 into sine x cos 60 minus sine 60 cos x. Okay, cos 225 is basically, it's like, 225 here, like this. So the basic angle is 45. So here your cos is negative. So cos 225 is going to be minus 1 over under root 2. And sine 225 is also the same, minus sine x minus 1 over under root 2. This is 2. Cos 60 is half. This is 2 sine x times half. And sine 60 is under root 3 over 2 cos x. Okay. So we have here minus 1 over under root 2 cos x plus 1 over, I should put a bracket around it. Whenever you have the angle, and first of all, you must not be writing anything next to it, because you can yourself be confused. People normally multiply these two together when working during a test, okay? So this is half 1 over under root 2 sine x. You better write sine x cos x towards the very end. And this 2 is cancelled with this 2. So you have sine x here. You have minus under root 3 cos x here. Okay, so then this is going to be, we're going to combine. You see, I'm just showing you how to keep cool and like don't make any mistake here. I'm going to multiply the whole of this equation by under root 2, because that seems to be the LCM over here. So this is minus cos x plus sine x, that is under root 2. That is how you can get rid of these fractions peacefully. This is under root 6 cos x. So I multiplied the whole equation by under root 2. Then I'm going to bring all of them on one side here. So this is minus cos x. Please, you need to see each step very carefully. See, I'm not using the calculator at all. Then I have plus sine x, and for God's sake, you have to do it exactly the same way. I will be taking cos x common from here. This is going to be cos x into under root 6 minus 1. And I have sine x into 1 minus, you see, not using the calculator, not, I'm not um, rounding off or writing any approximations. Okay, if you just ignore these nasty terms over here, okay, don't be bothered by them. Just see you have two terms, one in sine and one in cos. What do we have to do now? Yes, Bacho? What should I do now?
Divide by cos.
Very good, very good. Keep cool. Just divide them by cos. Okay. So I'll be dividing by cos. So this I'll be left with under root 6 minus 1. Let me put that in the brackets. And I have tan x here. And let me write this first, and then I'll be writing tan x. So you see, just keep cool, okay? I've divided by the cos x so that my equation has tan x. Again, I'm not using the calculator. I'm still not using the calculator. This tan x would become, now this, when this goes to the other side, this would be 1 minus under root 6, okay? And it will be divided by 1 minus under root 2. Now you can use your calculators and tell me what is the value of this thing. Put all of this in your calculator and tell me to a good level of accuracy here. correct to 3, 4, 5 decimal places. I just want to see if it's positive or negative. I think it will be a negative. Oh, no, it should be positive. Yeah. Yes, tell me. Yes?
74.05.
I can't hear you. What is this?
74.0.
Oh, I don't want to know the angle. You will do that later. First, tell me what is this value? Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay. So if it is positive, then I can clearly see, okay, I am going to be in this quadrant because this time we have only from 0 to 180. So you're saying 74 point what? Yes, Bacho? You're telling something to me 74.1, whatever.
74.052.
Okay, so this is 74.1, correct to one decimal place. Okay, now please guys repeat the same steps, try the same way, try the questions, the parts of the question number 13 and 14.